Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Our lesson today is the last lesson in geometry section, and our lesson is the general equation of the straight line that passing through the point of intersection of two straight lines. Okay, it's a big title, but it's very easy, inshallah. Okay, our rule is the first equation, okay, plus k times the second equation. This is the rule. But we can use the omitting or the substitution, okay, to solve the two equations to get the intersection point. Okay, let's start our example. Find the equation of the straight line which passes through the point of intersection of the two straight lines, 2x plus 3y equals 18 and 5x minus 2y minus 7 equals 0, and also passes through the point 5 and 3. Okay, the first equation, its equation, we will put it at this form. Okay, and also the second, 2x plus 3y equals 18 at this form. Okay, it's the same form. The second, 5x minus 2y equals, no, it's minus 7. Okay, then we will transfer it. It will be 0 plus 7, 7. And we will solve this equation by omitting or by substitution or by any method you studied before. Okay, the coefficients must different and opposite. 3, if this is 2, it will be negative 2, must equal negative 2 to omit it. Okay, and also here, let's simplify the equation to be opposites in coefficients in y or in x. The easier is y. Okay, because if we multiply 3 by 2, it will be 6. 2 by 3 or negative 2 by 3, it will be negative 6. 6 and negative 6 are opposites. Okay, then I multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3 and get another two equations. After multiplying by 2, I will multiply each number. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 18 times 2 equals 36. The second equation times 3. 5 times 3, 15x. Negative 2 times 3, negative 6y equals 7 times 3, 21. Okay, note that negative 6, we can add the two equations by adding. For x plus 15x, it will be 19x. 6y minus 6y equals 0. 36 plus 21, okay, it's 57. And hence we will divide it both sides, divided 19, and get the value of x equals 3. Okay, x equals 3, and I want to get y. By substitution about 3 in the first question, or the second, or any question. Okay, here, x equals 3, but x equals 3, then 2 times 3, 6. Plus 3y equals 18. By transferring 6, 3y equals 18 minus 6, 3y equals 12. Dividing both sides, divide 3, then y equals 12 over 3 equals 4. Okay, this is the intersection point. Then the intersection point 3 and 4. And the straight line passes through another point 5 and 3. I want the equation of the straight line which pass through them. Which pass through, this is the intersection point, and this is the point, okay, the given point. Okay, then I'll get the slope first. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1, 3 minus 4 over 5 minus 3, it will be negative 1 over 2 negative half. And the equation in the form y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals m. Yes, y minus y1, we can use x1, y1 from any point from these, okay? 4, we will replace y1 by 4. X minus x1 equal 3 equals the slope equal negative half. By cross multiplication, I'll complete 2 times all of this, negative 1 times all of this, negative 1 times x, I multiply, negative 1 times negative x, negative 1 times negative 3 equal positive 3 equals 2 times y, 2y, 2 times negative 4, negative 8. Okay, I'll transfer all of these in the other side. It will be 2y minus 8 plus x minus 3. Note, I change the signs, equal 0, and simplify this equation. 2y plus x negative 8 minus 3 negative 11 equals 0. This is our equation. Another example. Find the equation of the line passes through the point of intersection of the two straight lines with the equation 2x plus 3y minus 2 equals 0 and 3x minus y minus 14 equals 0, and makes angle of measure 135 with the positive direction of y-axis. Okay, I want here what? The equation of the straight line. Okay, yes, the equation of the straight line passes through point and its slope m. This is the form. Then I want to get what? M, the slope of the straight line, and the point lie on the straight line. Okay, let's get the point that lie on the straight line. What is the point? It's the intersection point. Okay, then I'll use omitting and write this form, the two equations, to omit x or y to get the intersection point. The other 3x minus y equals 40. Okay, note the coefficients 2, 3, negative 1. Okay, we can multiply here times 3, L1 and L2. L1, write it at the same form and multiply both terms times 3. 3x times 3, 9x, negative y times 3, negative 3y, equal 14 times 3 equals 42. This is the second one. I want what? I want to get the intersection point. That means xy and y, x1 and y1. Okay, if we add the two equations, 2x plus 9x, 11x, 3 plus negative 3, 0, okay, 2 plus 42 equals 44, divided both term by 11, it will be x equals 44 divided 11 equals 4. Okay, substitute in any equation about x equals 4, about x, put x equals 4. 2 times x equals 4. complete the equation. Plus 3y equals 2. 2 times 4, 8. Plus 3y equals 2. Transfer 8. 3y equals 2 minus 8. 3y equals negative 6. Y equals negative 6 divided 3 equals negative 2. Then the point, okay, x1, y1 is 4 and negative 2. Okay, let's get the slope. The slope m, okay, we can get it by using this angle, but this angle measured 135 with the positive direction of y-axis, with the positive direction of y-axis. When he give us with the positive direction of y-axis, I'll subtract this angle from 180. Okay, from 180. If he give us obtuse angle, then I'll get what? I'll get subtraction 180 minus 135 to get the acute angle. Okay, theta equals 180 minus 135 equals 45. Also, the question is how to get the slope by using this angle. Yes, tan this angle. Tan this angle. Tan 45 equals 1. Okay, substitute about m and x1, y1 in our equation to find it. Y minus negative 2 over x minus 4 equal the slope 1. Y minus negative 2, y plus 2 over x minus 4 equals 1. Fractions equals 1, that means the numerator equal denominator are equal. Y plus 2 equals x minus 4, and transfer it to another side. X minus 4 minus y minus 2 equals 0. X minus y, negative 4 minus 2 negative 6 equals 0. This is our equation, and this is the last example in our lesson today. Thank you for listening and wish you a good day.